Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Mindset, your go-to channel for building wealth, side hustles, and passive income in the USA. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn $50 per day from home, step by step, even if you're a beginner. These methods are legit, easy, and require no investment, so you can start earning this week. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss tips about online income and side hustles in the USA, and stay till the end because I'll reveal a bonus tip that can help you make even more than $50 a day. Step 1. Paid online surveys. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie pay you to share your opinions. Work from your laptop or smartphone, spend 30 to 60 minutes per day, earn $10, $20 per survey session. This is a simple way to start earning right away without any skills. Step 2. Microtasks and freelance gigs. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Amazon Mechanical Turk let you complete small online tasks, data entry, transcription, research, or writing. Beginners can earn $50, $100 day. Flexible schedule. Work from anywhere in the USA. Step 3. AI writing and content creation. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to create articles, social media posts, or product descriptions. No professional writing experience needed. Charge clients $20, $100 per project. Easily make $50 per day by completing 1 to 2 projects. Step 4. Sell digital products. Create ebooks, checklists, or printables using free AI or Canva tools. Platforms: Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. No inventory, no shipping. Beginners can make $50 a day once your products start selling. Step 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products online and earn commissions. Use free platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or blogs. Focus on USA products for faster sales. Beginners can earn $50 a day with consistent effort. Step 6. Online tutoring or teaching. If you know English, math, or any skill you can teach online. Platforms: Reply Check, Tutors, Wise, and Pay. $15, $50 hour. Even 1 to 2 hours per day equals $50 easily. Step 7. Task apps and gig economy. Use apps like DoorDash, Instacart, or Uber Eats for extra cash if you want offline options. Flexible hours. Work from home or nearby. Beginners can easily make $50 per day with 2 to 3 hours of effort. Bonus tip: combine 2 to 3 of these methods to make $100 per day or more. Example: spend 1 hour on surveys plus 1 project on Fiverr plus sell 1 digital product. Diversifying your income streams is the fastest way to financial freedom. So there you have it, step-by-step guide to earning $50 a day from home in the USA. Remember, the key is to start today, stay consistent, and pick methods that suit your skills. If you want me to create a full $50 a day blueprint combining these hustles with proof, comment below and I'll make it for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips from Money Mindset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.